everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now before I start today's video, let me give little introduction about my channel to my new subscribers. So my channel name is Lifeomania, and here I just share my life with you because I'm so passionate about skincare and self-care. So most of the time I talk about skincare and self-care, but I also like to share my travel vlogs, my personal vlogs, or whatever I feel like to share with you guys, I share here. So in short, I'm just celebrating my life with you. Now let's talk about today's video. So today I'm going to review one of my favorite brand. It's a British skincare brand. It's called Aurelia Probiotic. I'm using this brand since 3 years and I buy the products on and off because you know me guys that sometime I just stopped using one skincare brand and then I just jumped to another skincare brand. That's my skincare routine. Now before I share my review or my opinion about the products, I really want to share this video about the brand where you can see what's their philosophy and why this brand is one of my favorite. So let's have a look.
Aurelia Probiotic Skincare is a luxury, scientifically proven age-preventative skincare line combining next-generation probiotic, repair and peptide technologies with bioorganic botanicals. We are very proud of the natural and ethical side to the brand, which is embedded in everything we do and is at the heart of Aurelia. It impacts the decisions we make from sourcing ingredients to where we choose to retail. Aurelia Probiotic Skincare is ethical on all fronts, and we partner with not-for-profit organisations like Phytotrade Africa to ensure the sustainable sourcing and fair trade of stunning botanical ingredients like baobab, mongongo oil and Kigelia africana. This means that we work with communities in Africa and other countries to guarantee they receive a fair trade price for the rare ingredients they supply to us. This improves quality of life for the suppliers, but also ensures that we have access to some of the rarest and most beneficial botanicals in the world.
Welcome back guys. Now I'm sure that you know that why I love this brand, because their philosophy is really great and the ingredients they are using, they are also very good. One thing I would like to say about this brand, that it doesn't matter what product you're going to buy, some of the ingredients you can see in every product because those ingredients are their key ingredients and they are baobab, hibiscus, mongongo oil and Kigelia africana. It's a very difficult name, oh my god, but these are their key ingredients. And I would like to say that if you know any of these ingredients and you think that you have some kind of issue or you are allergic to any of these ingredients, then you have to think about it to try these products. But other than that, everything is good with this brand. So now let me show you the products and let me give you my opinion about them. First of all, I really want to show you the bag. This is the bag and this is my first purchase from the brand. It was like so many travel size goodies inside the bag and I really enjoyed it, and I always carry my Aurelia products inside this bag. Now the very first product which I would like to talk about, it's the cleanser, because our skincare starts with a good cleanser. So this is the cleanser and I don't have enough words to praise this cleanser. I shared this thing in my previous videos too, that we transferred from Oregon to North Carolina, and when we got transferred we came to know our baby Bruno, my dog, fighting with the cancer. And that point of time, like since 1 year or so, I was very busy with Bruno only. So there are lots of packages still I need to open and there are lots of stuff I need to review, and this cleanser was one of them. It was sitting in my cupboard, I don't know since how long, but I remember that I bought when Bruno was alive. So I bought this cleanser in 2019, and today I decided I have to start using this cleanser because I just finished my other cleanser. So this cleanser I already used. This is such a good cleanser, guys. So first of all, let me talk about the texture. It's very creamy, very light. And I know when it comes to cream cleansers, some people are not very comfortable because they feel like cleanser gonna be very greasy, oily, and it not gonna super good, and it gonna sit on our face. But this miracle cleanser, it's really do miracles to your face. It not gonna sit on your face after, you know, wiping it off. It's not at all greasy, and it's not at all oily, because it doesn't matter what skin type you have. Every skin type immediately can feel the oiliness and extra greasiness. And whenever I use this cleanser, I never feel any greasiness. In fact, after wiping it off the cleanser, I always feel like super hydrated. So it's good for all skin type, but it's really very good from normal to very dry skin types. If I talk about the ingredients, as I said, that this cleanser also, you know, contains those key ingredients, but it also contains a blend of beautiful oils like rosemary, bergamot, eucalyptus, and these oils really not only give you uplifting fragrance, but also works effectively to remove makeup. Now, I do not use makeup. I only apply lipsticks on my face, so I have no idea how it gonna be if you want to remove full face makeup, but it always works whenever I need to, you know, remove my lipstick. So for me it works. Now if I just talk about the, you know, bad things about the product, there is nothing bad about the product itself, but I have only one complaint, that this miracle cleanser comes in a three kind of a packaging. One is a tube packaging, second one is this, and I'm going to open it also, guys, so you can see how it looks inside. This is the packaging. So this is the cleanser, and this is a bamboo muslin cloth. If you need mild exfoliation, it gonna works really nice. So this is the real product. Now my only complaint is that when your products comes in a tub packaging, they are not as effective as like if it comes in a tube packaging and comes as a pump packaging, because sometimes when you are not very careful, it may contact with the water, or you can get some extra dirt inside your product. Like I have dogs, so maybe dog hair and all. And also I studied that sometime when you open the jar or the tub, the product can lose some of the goodness of the ingredients. So that's why I do not prefer tub packaging, but I wanted to buy full size, and when I bought this, there was a good offer and I pay maybe half of the price for this cleanser. So I was like, okay, let me give it a try. Now the next product is this. This is a cell repair moisturizer for daytime. So this cleanser is a travel size cleanser, and I really like the cleanser. It's very light and it's very nourishing. You can use this cleanser as a like primer also under your makeup. It's very nice and very light. Also it has those key ingredients, also some other blend of the oils which gonna hydrate your skin without your skin feeling greasy or oily. Now the fragrance of this is really nice, but when it comes to fragrance, I feel some people are not very comfortable with the natural fragrances, and you have to see the ingredients. If there is any ingredient you are allergic and you can't bear the, you know, smell of that particular ingredient, then this product is not for you for sure. But if you are looking for a good daytime moisturizer, this is a good choice. Now this is the next product, Aurelia's Revitalize Glow Serum. This serum I really like. It smells divine. It smells so good. So it's very lightweight. I can show you. This is how it looks, and on skin it's like this. Now because it's the serum, so it's gonna be little runny, but it's gonna absorb in your skin like magic. See, it's very lightweight serum. You definitely gonna like it. Now next is Aurelia's Night Cream. So this is a nighttime moisturizer, and again, it smells so good. The smell is so uplifting, especially for a nighttime. It's a great moisturizing cream because you not only get hydration, you also get this uplifting fragrance which gonna calm your senses, and this is something I really enjoy. Also, the key ingredients here are shea butter, avocado oil, borage oil, and apricot oil. Also, it has aloe vera, which is very good for our skin. So this moisturizer is one of my favorite moisturizer. I really like it. Now the last product which I'm going to show you, this is one of their expensive line of products, and I really love the packaging. So this is the product, the probiotic concentrate. This is their one of the best product. That's what I read on their website. So this concentrate activate and boost the skin's natural repair process. This product is an anti-aging product, and it's really good if you have pigmentation, dull skin, and if you have hormonal breakouts, if you have any skin issue because of the pollution. And also, as I said, it's an anti-aging product, so definitely if you got wrinkles, it's gonna help you. How it gonna help you, I can't comment on that because everybody's skin is different, everybody's skin needs are different. So maybe for some people this product gonna work within a month, for some people it's gonna work maybe after 3 months, for some people it's gonna work within a week. It's always depend what kind of skin you have. I actually recently start using this product, and this is the actual packaging. It comes in a glass bottle and it looks really cute. So it protect, balance, and restore the glow of your skin. The only issue is it's really very expensive. It's only 10 ml here, and you have to pay, I guess, more than $40 if I'm not wrong. I will add the right price later so you can see the right price. But so far, to be very honest, I don't see like any significant kind of a change on my skin. As I said, I recently start using it, so to see the more effect, I have to finish this bottle, and then I can only tell you my honest opinion about the product. Also, because it's a concentrated product, you just need to use 1 to 3 pumps. That's it, not more than that. So that's why 10 ml gonna last maybe 15 or 20 days or maybe more. So far, I like the product. And another thing, company claims that their signature probiotic peptides gonna increase your collagen like 140%. So this is a big claim, and to check this claim is right or wrong, I think one need to use this product for a long time, then you can only see the results. So for this product, I myself not very sure, so I can't say that, oh, you need to add this product in your skincare routine. But so far, I like the product. I like everything. I like the ingredients, so nothing is wrong with the product except the price. I also use their oils, like there's one oil for daytime, there's another oil for nighttime. Those oils are pretty decent, pretty good. So that's it, guys. This is just my little opinion about the brand and about the products. Bottom line is, Aurelia Probiotic Skincare is really a good brand because they follow kind of a philosophy. They are also supporting some communities. Their ingredients are great, but at the end of the day, it's always up to you that what you need in your skincare and how much your budget is. Are you ready to spend good money on good skincare products? So if something is expensive but it's worth it, I will definitely invest my money there. But as I said, it always up to you guys. For me, this brand is good and I'm gonna keep buying the products whenever I need it. So by saying this, I'm going to end this video here, and I hope you like my video and my opinion about the products, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.